The Banff is a terrific crossover hybrid jacket with an emphasis on exceptional fabrications and attention to detail. This is a style that your customers are definitely seeing at retail. Virtually all the major outerwear brands have a version of this, but none with the branding in mind like ours. It offers a truly unique combination of both style and comfort with its distinctive quilted body and comfort stretch sleeves. The attention to detail is also apparent in the ergonomically aligned zipper pocket on the upper sleeve and the rich serre finish on the inside lining. The Banff provides both insulated warmth and water repellent finish and offers additional comfort with soft brush polyester for the inner zip flap, chin guard, and pockets. We offer two classic tone-on-tone options in the black and navy, and then vibrant contrast with the team red and new royal colorations.
Choose from 5 of our decoration methods to perfectly brand the Banff. While we only recommend embroidery and truage transfer on the quilted body panels, you can make a strong statement with laser, deboss, and our exclusive HXD as great options for the sleeve fabric. Consider a silver metallic truage transfer to play off the silver reflective accents around the front pockets, or an HXD on the sleeves to match the body color of the garment.